Are you looking for the best printer under $300? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $300 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Canon PIXMA TR150. The Canon PIXMA TR150 is, like, totally awesome for anyone looking for a printer they can take with them wherever they go. The thing is compact and lightweight, so you can bring it along to print stuff out no matter where you are. And the prints it churns out are top-notch. It can handle everything from clean articles to gorgeous photos as big as 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Oh, and the interface, super sophisticated, with a 1.44-inch OLED display that'll make your tech-loving heart sing. But that's not all. This baby comes with a detachable extra battery so you can print on the go, whether you're traveling for business or chilling out in the great outdoors. And it's compatible with all sorts of devices, from Apple to Android to Windows 10 Mobile to Fire OS. And did I mention that it's got both USB and Wi-Fi connectivity? Yeah. This little guy can connect to just about anything. And the prints themselves, beautiful. The inkjet-based technology means your photos and documents come out looking sharp and colorful, whether you're printing in color or monochrome. And the printing speed, a quick 5.5 pages per minute for color and 9 pages per minute for monochrome. All in all, this is a great option for anyone who needs a portable, versatile printer that can handle a wide range of printing needs. Plus, the folding design is super convenient for storage and travel. So if you're in the market for a new printer, consider the Canon PIXMA TR150. It'll make all your printing dreams come true. Number 2. HP LaserJet Tank 2504DW. The HP LaserJet Tank 2504DW is legit the best printer out there for small businesses. Like seriously, it's a total game changer. This bad boy is recently released and specifically designed for those of us who need to print everyday black and white documents without breaking the bank. And let me tell you, it's fast AF. With its two-sided printing capabilities, you can get more done in less time. Productivity goals, but wait. There's more. This printer comes with a pre-filled toner system that can print up to 5,000 pages right out of the box. That's a whole lot of printing, yo. And when you do eventually run out of toner, no worries. The low-cost, high-yield original HP Toner Reload Kit is a total lifesaver. Refilling the toner is a breeze and only takes 15 seconds. Talk about a mess-free solution. Oh, and did I mention that the HP LaserJet Tank 2504DW produces super professional-looking reports and forms? The laser quality is top-notch, and the text and blacks are sharp and bold. Perfect for those of us who need to produce high-quality documents on the reg. And if you're always on the go, no worries. The mobile printing capabilities are insane. Just download the HP Smart app and you're good to go. And don't even get me started on the dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet networking capabilities. This printer is designed to work without any interruptions. Plus, the HP Wolf Essential Security feature is a total game changer. Privacy and password protection? Yes. Please. Number 3. Canon MF455DW. The Canon Image Class MF455DW is, like, an amazing all-in-one printer that's perfect for small and medium-sized businesses. It's got everything you could possibly need, from printing to scanning to copying to faxing. And it's got both black and white and color scanning capabilities, so you can make all your documents look fancy and cool. This baby's got a fast print speed of up to 40 parts per million in letter size and 32 parts per million in legal size, which is pretty darn impressive if you ask me. And the copy speed is just as fast, so you'll never have to wait around for your documents to print or copy. Also, it got a 250 sheet main input tray and a 100 sheet multi-purpose tray, which is totally awesome. But wait, there's more. You can even add an additional 550 sheet input tray if you need more space for your papers. Now, get this. The printer has a super cool 5-inch color touchscreen display that's so easy to use, even your grandma could do it. And if you're the device administrator, you can totally customize it to make your life easier. How sweet is that? But wait, there's more. Scanning is supported for letter, legal, and statement document sizes, with duplex scanning capabilities. That's like double-sided scanning. And you can even convert your scanned files into multiple file formats, including high compression PDF and searchable PDF, OCR. How fancy is that? Oh, and did I mention that the printer also features a Wi-Fi direct hotspot that allows for a direct connection to compatible mobile devices without the need for an external router? Yeah, you heard that right. You can print from a variety of methods, including application-based, cloud-based, or device-native, across compatible iOS and Android devices. And the Canon Print Business application offers access to additional device settings and enables scanning from the printer to a compatible mobile phone or tablet. Mind blown. Number 4. Canon PIXMA G620. The Canon PIXMA G620 is like the Swiss Army knife of printers. It's a total package deal that delivers amazing photo prints without putting a dent in your wallet. Perfect for homes and small offices. The G620's compact design is a space saver and makes it easy to preserve your memories in physical form with photo albums or scrap books. The G620's 6-color dye-based ink system, with red and gray inks, enhances the color gamut and produces photos with a real wow factor. The PIXMA G620 is no one-trick pony either, it's cost-effective too. It can print a whopping 3,800 4x6 inches color photos with a full set of ink, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. And if that wasn't enough, the printer also supports borderless printing up to 8.5 by 11 inches, so you can print your favorite memories in full bleed. The G620 is also very accommodating when it comes to paper types and sizes. It even offers a 5 by 5 inches square photo paper option. But that's not all. You can print up to 47 inches long, which is a lifesaver for all those panoramic shots. The Canon Chroma Life 100 system is also a great perk. It ensures your memories stay preserved for up to 100 years in album storage. Don't let its size fool you. The G620's flatbed scanner is a powerhouse, capable of scanning and saving images up to 8.5 by 11.7 inches. This makes digitizing old photos or documents a breeze. With an easy setup for smartphones and computers, you can get to printing your memories even faster. And with built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can print from virtually anywhere in your home or office. Plus, the Canon Print app lets you manage all your printing needs from your smartphone or tablet. Number 5. Brother MFC J4535DW. Let's talk about the Brother MFC J4535DW investment tank. A multifunctional printer that's all the rage right now. This bad boy has everything you need to get your print on. Printing, scanning, copying, and faxing, you name it, it's got it. Plus, it's super compact, making it perfect for those small home offices or businesses that don't have a lot of space to spare. The MFC J4535DW comes equipped with a max print resolution of 4800 by 1200 pin, can handle legal-sized paper up to 8.5 by 14 inches, as well as borderless photos up to 8 by 10 inches. But what really sets this printer apart is its connectivity options: Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and USB, oh my. And let's not forget about NFC printing. which is an added convenience you won't find on just any old printer. The Wi-Fi interface on this bad boy is where it's really at. You can print wirelessly using the Brother Mobile Connect app, or via Mopriya, AirPrint, and Wi-Fi Direct. And if you need a hardwired connection, the Ethernet port has got your back. But wait, there's more. The printer even has a USB-A port on the front so you can print directly from flash drives. How cool is that? The MFC J4535DW has not one, but two paper trays that can hold up to 400 sheets of paper. Plus, the trays are adjustable to fit letter or legal-sized paper. Versatility, baby. And if you're all about saving the environment, and who isn't? You'll love the automatic two-sided printing feature, which is a great way to cut back on paper waste. But wait, there's still more. The printer also has a 20-sheet automatic document feeder that supports legal-sized paper for scanning and copying, making it a great all-in-one option for any office need you might have. And let's not forget about those starter ink cartridges, which can last up to a whole year depending on your print volume. A game changer for those who don't print all that often.